With your ViewTech Video Borescope, inspection images and videos can quickly transfer without removing the SD card or physically connecting your borescope with a cable to a computer. This brief video tutorial will detail step-by-step FTP instructions. Start by navigating to and tap, touch, or use the right mini joystick to enter the System Setting menu. Access FTP and turn the setting on, then select OK. Now, on your computer or laptop, open your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the device labeled endoscope. When prompted, enter the password visible on the screen. Once connected, in a File Explorer address bar, enter the FTP address listed on the screen. The required FTP account name and password are also displayed on the screen. Once connected, FTP folders and files display, but are not viewable inside the FTP folder. To view images and videos, copy and paste or drag and drop to a local folder. Once files have been transferred, be sure to disconnect your computer or laptop from the endoscope Wi-Fi connection and revert to your previous Wi-Fi connection. Finally, return to the System Setting menu to change the FTP to off. The best way to experience the new VJ4 Video Borescope is with our free enhanced demo program. Call to speak with one of our knowledgeable Video Borescope experts, and we will help find the best borescope for your inspection needs. You will quickly realize why ViewTech Borescopes is the #1 seller of video borescopes in North America.